Welcome. In this video I will tell and show you what to do if Logitech MX Master 4 won't charge. First of all, inspect the USB-C cable of your mouse for any visible damage or loose connections, and ensure that it's plugged in securely on both ends. Try using the original cable if you can, because some third-party cables may be incompatible or fail to provide proper charging for your mouse. And also clean the USB-C port on your mouse using a soft brush. Don't use any metallic tools, they will damage your mouse. So use a soft brush to clean the port, and check if your mouse starts charging after that. And if it doesn't, then try to test it with another charger and cable. So connect your mouse to a different USB charger, especially if you're using a non-original cable or power adapter. Also, if possible, try charging from several USB sources like laptop, wall adapter, power hub, to rule out the port or power issues. And if nothing helps to this point, then use power switch and reset procedure. So once you connect your mouse to the charging cable, toggle the power switch on the underside of the mouse fully off, then wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on, and if mouse remains unresponsive, leave it plugged in to charge for about 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. And if your mouse to this point doesn't want to start charging, then you should contact Logitech customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if they may guide you through some more troubleshooting steps. But if nothing helps you, then just send your mouse to them for repair. Maybe reach out to some nearest repair service, and they will take care of your mouse and you'll be able to use it normally again. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.